creative coders, how are you doing today? So today we want to create a code called the spiral. So we're doing different kind of spiral going down. Okay, so where do we start from? We have our Scratch interface here. So the first thing we're going to do is to delete our sprite and pick up sprite and go to paint, right? So when we get to paint, we'll use the circle button. Now what we are creating is a very tiny circle, black and with no outline at all. Peradventure, you have an outline, let's say 4. What you just do is to click on the arrow down here and take it back to 0. Then go to our code. Now, before we do anything, what do? We want to make some variables. Now, what variables do you want to do? Number one variable is to click on make a variable, okay? And we are going to make the variable turn. Turn, all right, click on variable, okay. Make another variable again and stop, press okay. Make another variable again, which we call or start, okay? Start dir and click on OK. Now we are going to okay, I didn't make a mistake. So we're going to make another variable again, which is stop increase. Increase. Okay. That's it. So what do? We unclick start dir, we unclick stop. We have stop, increase, and turn. Then we place it together up like this. Now, what do? What we have here, you're going to right click on turn. You will see normal readout, large readout, slider, and hide. What do? You click on slider. All right, drag this a bit down so the slider can have. You do the same thing with your stop, increase. You click on slider. So you have it like this, but we are not done. Go back to turn and right click on it. We have what we call change slider range. Okay, and we are going to make it from 10, all right, to 178. 100, and so minimum is 10 value, maximum is 178. Now we'll go to stop, increase, change slider range. Minimum is 1, maximum is 4. Okay, and we click on full stop. So when you do this, your minimum is 10. When you put it, your minimum is 1 for stop, increase. Your maximum is 4. Is that understood? I understand. I hope we understand that part properly. All right. So what do we do next? We go to we now begin coding. Now click on event. All right. Drag out when green flag clicked. As you can see on your screen, go to variable, drag out set my variable to 90. Set my variable, change the number there to 90. All right, and change the name there to start dir. All right, so before then, I have my pen tool already, but if you don't have your pen tool, you just go to add extension here and you will see your pen tool here. Is that understood? So when you have your pen tool, go to set pen color to 50. Set pen color to 50. You have this here. Change your pen color to brightness and change your 50 to 100. We will do that again, working still with set pen color to 50. Now you're changing the color to saturation and your 50 still to 100. Okay, now go to control, bring out forever. All right, go to my variable and bring out change my variable by 1. Change my variable to start dir and change 1 to 2. Okay, now go back again. We are still on my variable and bring set my variable to 2. Set my variable to 2. Put it here and change my variable to stop and change 0 to 1. All right, good job. Now we are working with the pen block right now. You're going to bring out pen up, then erase all, Okay, then set pen size to 2. Set pen size to 2. Is that understood? All right, so when you have here, you go to motion. We are going to be bringing out, go to x0, y0. So you will have some numbers there in your block. Just change those numbers to 0. Okay, now what do we do next? We still go back to the pen block and bring out pen down. Drag our pen down and put it underneath. Go to x0, y0. Now we're going back to motion and going to bring out point in direction 90. Put it underneath, pen down, point in direction 90. Go to variable, and we are going to be bringing out the start dir. Drag it out here and place it here like this. Well done. Now what do? You go to control. Now what are we looking for? There's a particular block called repeat until. Repeat until. We bring out and put it underneath, point in direction, start dir. Then go to sensing, and we have what we call touching mouse pointer there. Drag it out and put it here. Now you have, click on your touching mouse pointer and click on the edge. So it is touching edge. Right. Now let's go to pen and drag out set pen color to 50. Set pen color to 50. Now we'll go to my variable. So when we have 50 there, you are going to drag stop here and put it down to 50. Now let's go back to our motion block here and drag out, move 10 steps and put it underneath set pen color to stop. Okay, right. Now go back to variable. We are going to drag the word stop here, the variable stop, and put it here. So you have move stop steps, right? Please don't think that is not making sense. You will see the outcome in your design. Now go back to motion and drag out turn clockwise 15 degrees. This is it here. All right. Then go back to variable and drag out turn and put it where you have 15. So you have turn clockwise, turn degrees, right? It's not making sense, but let's check out the outcome. Now you have under your variable still, you're going to drag out change my variable by 1. Change my variable by 1. So where you have variable there, you change it to stop and you drag out stop increase and you put it where you have 1. All right. Now the last code for this beautiful design or block coding is we're going to go back to control and drag out wait 1 second. Now please note, wait 10 seconds is not going to stay directly under change stop by stop increase. It's going to stay under repeat until like this and put it here. Then change your 1 seconds to 0.01 like this. Now, did you see this? Now, let's see what we have by clicking. Aha! Did you see that I'm just in 1, right? Now, let's increase the turn a bit to, let's say, 96. Did you see this? Amazing, 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 beautiful, beautiful design. Now, let's do it again. Let's decrease it a bit. Did you see the decrease now? Now let's increase it drastically. Oh my goodness. Now, when we leave it at 178, look at the beauty. Can you see this beauty? Now let's increase a bit. Let's drag it to, let's say 2. Oh my, wow, this is looking good. So when it touches the edge, it begins again. That is where we have repeat until touching edge. So when it touches the edge, it begins again. So now let's drag it to, let's say 4. Let's see what 4 we have. Did you see that? That is so cool. So I'd like you to do your own, make adjustments and corrections, and get back to me or put it in the comment section. All right, thank you so much and see you again in my next video. Remember, I am Coach BB. Bye for now.